What up, my people? Hey, Winnie the gang. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're a new subscriber stopping by for the first time, what up? Welcome. And if you're an OG, you know already. You have my heart. Thanks for stopping by. So, I hope this video is enjoyable. This video is long overdue. But editing was stalling me, but you know, the enemies cannot stop our destiny. We have to shine. So please enjoy the video.
Sometimes I feel like I'm wearing high heel when I wear the shirt.
It's high? Well, because of knock heels.
Yep. And anytime I'm working in the hospital, everybody knows when I'm coming. So I owned it. They're looking at me, I even make more noise.
Already 30 minutes.
Relax.
Wait.
It's raining. It's raining.
Say hello.
Oh Lord.
Hey, sexy mama, what? What?
Hi.
What? Come on. Living my best life.
What baby though?
What baby?
What baby?
Who's baby though?
I was going to vlog every single day, but guys, I've just been so exhausted and tired. But you know, we still try to keep it up. We're starting. For God's sake, I've tried every single week. Every single week.
The one when you landed, I was like, you will not take Winifred away.
Amen in the name of Jesus.
She was just eating. I was like, Winnie, who killed you?
I
There's
know
food
you.
in Ukraine.
I didn't eat. Oh my God, I didn't eat for like the whole day. Like exam was a day before. Then the previous night I had to go to Dean's office to settle some things out, do my nails, do a wig and deliver it for a client, and then still pack and travel that same night. It was too exhausting. So it was like, man, when I saw the food, I was like, is that you?
This food.
Is that you? Food? We die here today. But yeah, guys, I'm back on track. I don't know if I'm posting this thing, but let's see if it makes sense. Let's see. Baby Zoe is sleeping. Hopefully she wakes up before I leave. But food is almost finished, but let me give you this. Really, I think the only thing I really post on my blog right now is food. But food is life. Food is life. No one can tell me nothing, man. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah. And Jesse is blessing my life with takeaway. How do you show someone you love them? You give them food. Aka Uche, Abi Yawo Uche, Jesu.
All of them.
Yawo
He's mine,
Uche.
I am his.
That's it. One in combination. Look at the way she's looking younger than me. Have not born shy. Oh,
I'm only like 15.
like I'm 2. Really? You're a foodie too. You taught me this life. You taught me this
Food
life.
is life. What is diet?
Tell me. I don't know how people eat
Food
grass.
diet. Why are we eating grass?
Do you know people I don't understand the most, like vegetarians?
Vegans.
Oh, but it's like
Why? Why are you suffering yourself? Tofu is not chicken.
honestly, then the ones that are the same.
This is how you eat chicken. Right here.
Show them, baby. Tutorial. Chicken eating tutorial. Show them.
You tear it apart.
Yes, with
And
both hands. No cutlery used. Straight up.
You can even eat your rice with your hand, man.
Odu. That's when it's
Honestly,
sweet. That's when it's
actually,
sweet.
it's isn't it?
Eating
When you sit
rice
on the
with your
floor
hand.
and you eat rice with your hands. Man doing one now. You see? African way, man.
Straight up.
Fake
I've tried it
man.
before. I'm what to show.
Man shaking. Me, I'm a real African woman, you know.
Okay,
A
honey.
real Igbo woman. Like here.
Okay, tell them. They don't
I make
know.
apple. Is it apple?
That's an apple. I make apple.
I know how to. I don't know how to make it. No, but I know how to eat. And I don't know. How
Wait,
to
can
eat
you do poundo? Yeah.
I can make poundage, yeah.
It's close.
not poundo.
poundo, yeah. No,
I'm just, you know,
trying to like, show off.
I'm lying for the gram. I'm lying for the YouTubers. I'm real African.
Yeah.
I'm not all about the apple life.
It's apple. Well, I just wanted it to be
Apple.
Christmas.
Oh,
No, Christmas something. But
I think I want to eat that.
when there is food, you just be thinking, I think I just want to eat something. See, legele. Exactly. Like, and she eats the whole food in the world, and still
Not a single weight.
nothing. But it's well. I support foodies. I'm for food. Food is life. So, life is food.
Life is food.
Life is food. But in this life, there should be something that whenever you finish eating one plate of food, it's something that you eat that will not dissolve the food immediately. Then you can eat another plate of food, and then it will dissolve the next one, and you can eat more.
This girl.
I can't imagine. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Ah, God, no. I can't see such beautiful things in front of me. I just reject it. Nah.
Really, one of those people that she doesn't eat me, she will like cry.
I'll be sad.
You will think that
Be
somebody has
very
stolen her-
sad. Very
Or
sad.
somebody has stolen her school fees.
Yeah. That's why I don't like being
Sugar.
broke.
Sugar. No. Come do that. Honey. Yes. That's what I'm honey. And honey.
Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Winnie Dog. Here again with another video.
Out of the house today to a new building. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm doing the house and I just decided to quickly do the house tour before we get right on our way. So first off, this is the ground floor. It's a full house. This is the ground floor with the guest toilet rather. This is the guest toilet. Has everything fully fitted in it. Tissue, there was excess of tissue and cleaning materials. And then this is the kitchen. Has the oven, the gas, which has like automatic lighter, so you don't need a matches for it. I don't know guys, I'm just really excited about this house because like last time I was in Dublin, I had a house. Like these are the cupboards, storage places for different things, the microwave, everything is just intact. The dishwasher, the what's it called, the washing machine, heating system is perfect. The fridge, dispenser, and there is even a balcony. I didn't really use it much because the weather is cold right now. But yeah, this is the balcony, and then This is the dining place. It's small, it's cute. I don't know, it's not really much, but well, it's not bad. I like it. So, this is the sitting room. Gosh, this is my perfect place. Okay, the kitchen is my first favorite place, and then the sitting room is my next favorite place. I really, really love the sitting room. The large screen TV, the heating system, the view on the window side. It's just beautiful because like during the day kids come out to play and it's just nice to watch them play. Yeah. So it's white. That's number one. Like it's white. I love white. I'm a sucker for white. So yeah, that's all that matters to me really. The fact that the house is white. The heating system is warm. Heating system is warm. The sofas so comfortable. I sleep here some nights. Well, yeah, that's the sitting room. Now let's go upstairs. Come along, guys. Yeah. So this the staircase that leads to the rooms upstairs. You can see the floors are like nicely rubbed. Nicely rubbed, and I love the contrast, the ash color. I know this is like a typical Irish house, but it's really nice. It's spacious. I don't know if the videos are doing justice, but it's really spacious compared to a typical Irish house. This is the bedroom where I stayed, and guys, the view here, fantabulous. But it's just really nice, so conducive, and the bed's not well lit because yeah, I'm moving out. But this is a light. Bedside lights. See how cute it is. It's aesthetically pleasing. Anyways, yeah. I guess that's it. Then I have a fridge in my room. Yeah. Isn't that wonderful? My ice cream. I almost forgot that. Yeah. I think I'm leaving so many things in this house. But whatever. So yeah. The wardrobe, the house comes with a lot of clean towels. In this house, and new blow dryer, external heating system. There's so many things to attach to this house, and yeah, more towels, more clean towels. As you guys can see, yeah. So. Yeah, fridge. I love the room. It's white. The whole place is white. That's all that matters to me, guys. This is like a sound system or something. I didn't really use this one. That's me featuring me. But yeah, so that's the sink, the waste bin, the toilet seats, the bathtub. Like I couldn't be so glad that there is a bathtub because I just really love to have a bath time. And then it was like shower gels, air fresheners, vents. Like it was really nice, really nice. Really enjoyed this house. Can you guys see how everywhere is white? This is the staircase, rubbed all the way because of course the weather in Dublin. This is just the heating room. This is my room. This is just a spare room. I didn't have to use this room. This spare room. Yeah. It's also white. The wardrobe is white, man. What's my friend? I just love everything white. I'm a sucker for white, like I always say. So, yeah, everything white. I didn't use this room, anyways. But yeah, that's my room again, and that's about it, guys. So yeah, coming outside and going downstairs. Need to put up the lights now. Yep, and here we are. So that's all my load. In 1 week, this is what I have acquired for myself. And this is the veranda. The outside view. Such a peaceful and serene environment, guys. I just love this area. Love how quiet and beautiful. With all the green leaves. Like so peaceful. I'd love to come back here again. Even though that it's a bit far from like the city, honestly, it's a really nice and peaceful, cute little environment. That's my house. I'll leave the address of this Airbnb apartment because the couple that own it want to sell it. The people that own it wants to sell it, so yeah, I'm going to leave the address for anyone that wants to buy, rent, or whatever. But yeah, this house is really nice. House is really nice and peaceful. I didn't have any problem throughout my stay here. Let me see the backyard. Yeah, I didn't really use the backyard. I know you guys might say, oh, it's not much now, it's not a pretty much. Why were you not hyping it like that? But guys, the previous houses I've seen in this place, especially when I was looking for a place to stay, they were not really nice. And when I took it was last minute. When I took this house, it was last minute, and I wasn't really expecting much. So getting here, my hosts are so nice and wonderful people, and the house is so beautiful, sparkling white, bling bling, sparkles, everywhere sparkles. So I really liked it and it was really peaceful for me. I never had any problems with any neighbor or anybody. It was peaceful, easy access, taxi, buses, everywhere is close by. The supermarket is close by as well. So yeah, but I want to have a feel of another side of Dublin. I don't know how this next house is going to be, but let's see. I've been vlogging sparsely these days because you know, the thing is I've been enjoying myself. That's the truth. I've just been enjoying myself to the max, to the peak here. So it's been really difficult to keep up with the vlog life. But yeah, I am trying to get my hand on it again and like enjoy my holiday at the same time create content for you guys. You know, it's not easy. I realize it's not really easy to do that at the same time, but I'll try my best to do that for you guys. But yeah, that's about it for now. So much more, you know, content fields. But yeah, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? You know the drill. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment. Even if your bank account is empty, guys, do not let anyone stop you. Step out of the house. Breathe some really nice fresh air. I know sometimes even just breathing air is expensive. I feel you. Watch a movie. If you have good internet, watch a movie. Until my next video, stay fabulous. Enjoy yourself. I'ma see you guys later.